Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Gmail settings in Chrome. First, open your Gmail in the Chrome browser. Look for the gear icon in the top right corner of your screen and click it. This opens a quick settings menu. From there, select See All Settings to dive into all the customization options available for your Gmail experience. This is your central hub for personalizing your inbox. Want to give your Gmail a fresh look? Once in See All Settings, click on the Themes tab. Here, you'll find a wide array of pre-designed themes, from vibrant landscapes to minimalist designs. You can even upload your own photo from Google Photos to create a truly unique background. Simply select your preferred theme and click Save Changes to instantly refresh your inbox's visual style. Staying organized means managing your alerts. In the General tab, scroll down to Desktop Notifications. You can enable or disable new mail notifications and even choose a specific sound for incoming emails. To change your default Gmail account, you must sign out of all accounts in Chrome. Then, sign back into your desired primary account first. This will set it as your new default. Beyond the basics, Gmail offers several advanced settings to enhance your productivity. In the General tab, you can adjust the undo send period, giving you up to 30 seconds to recall an email after sending. This small but powerful feature can save you from many mistakes. Take some time to explore other tabs like Advanced for even more tools to streamline your email management.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.